This video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $30.0130. Okay, and this is the zone where the price is moving for so long. Okay, and chances can be high. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will cross a level of around $30.120. This $30.120 is already being tested here, so chances are high it will cross this level, and from there it can cross a level of around 33.5, and from there a further upside we can see. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see. Now remember one thing, that this is a level we have seen that this is creating a similar pattern. I have clearly told you that this is a buy situation. Okay, and this is also a buy situation, so that is where you would have made a very good profit if you have been watching my videos. Okay, now and whenever it makes a new high, you have to understand, see, this is high we have seen after a long time. Okay, or if you look at these trends also, we have seen a good fall comes. So you have to remember that whenever it goes and make a new sharp upside, we have seen a good fall. So this gap is still not filled, and this is from 22. I'm telling you that this, as soon as the price started sustaining of 3.6 and come close to around 3.9, this gap can be filled at a level of 4.1 to a level of 4.35. Okay, but if the price started going below a level of $2.62, then we can see there will be a fall towards a level of 2.3, and if this 2 point didn't sustain, we can see a further fall, or if it bounce back can come. This is what two probabilities. So I've clearly told you that once the price of dollar index started going above a level of 102, we can see there will be an upside, and the price has already made a half from 108, because there is a continuous higher and higher we have seen at this level. Okay, because see, there was a pattern created at this particular level. Chances was very high that once started sustaining this level, we can see a level of around, after 102 we can see a level of 103.5, then to a level of 104.5. Okay, and trend was there that it can go further high. It made a high from 108, and from there is a fall. Now a level of around $106.2 is a strong, the price is below this level, so it's a strong resistance. So once it started sustaining this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 107, and from there a further upside we can see towards 107.5, and then a further upside. Okay, but if started falling below this particular level, a further downfall we can see. Remember this, what I have told you, that if the price going above a level of 106.2, a further upside towards 107, then to a level of 108 also we can see. But if the price started falling below a level of 105.5, it can come towards a level of 105, then to a level of 104.7. Okay, and if started crossing below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 103.5, and then a further downfall we can see towards $102. Okay, you have to keep that in mind, that as soon as the price started going up below a level of 104.5, a further fall we can see towards 104, then to a level of $103.5. Okay, so if the price of dollar index started going upside, we can see the price of uh, natural gas can come down. If the dollar started going down, we will see the natural gas price will come up. This is what we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price, now coming back again on the natural gas price, what we can, price of natural gas sustain, we can see it can go towards this next level of $3.776. Okay, and if the price moving above that particular level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around $3.1225. Or if the price moving above that level, we can see it will cross a level of $3.1976, which is a strong resistance. So we can see if the price moving up that particular level, chance of crossing a level of 3.37 we can see. If the price moving above that particular level, we can see it will cross a level of around $3.5. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards a level of around $3.64. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price sustaining above level of 3.5, we can see a level of 3.64, which is already been tested. After that, it can cross a level of $3.63. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see towards a level of $3.9, and if the price move on this level, then we can see a level of 4.1 to a level of 4.35. Okay, again I repeat, if the price sustaining above a level of $3.111, we can see a level of 3.2, and from there a level of around 3.4 $412, and once started sustaining of this level, a probability of touching 3.5 we can see, and then it can cross a level of 3.55 because that is already being tested, and then it can touch a level of 3.64. So once started moving off that level, it will cross this particular zone and a further upside we can see. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $2.9, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.83. Okay, suppose if the price moving below that level, we can see a level of 2.63, which is already being tested. So chances of further downfall we can see towards 2.39, and then we can see it will fall further towards a level of $2.02. Again, I repeat, if it started falling below 2.9, a further downfall we can see towards 2.7, and then it will cross a level of 2.63, which is already being a weak support. So chances of crossing that level we can see a level of 2.39, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2.061. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2.048, and then it will go below a level of $2. Okay, so remember this, as soon as the price of it goes below $2, chance of touching 1.9 we can see, and then it can come towards 10974, and then a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.